guys, welcome back. Quick video here today. This gap in your truck bed, when you get mulch and dirt, things, gravel gets down in there, we're going to seal that gap there with this product here. Got it off Amazon. It is a cover for that area. It's got adhesive on both sides. Nice product. Rubber, so it's going to go across here like this when it's done. So we're going to clean this up a little bit with some denatured alcohol. And then I bought some 3M adhesion promoter pads as well. So just get a rag, clean this edge off here with the with some kind of alcohol cleaner, just to get all the junk off of it. We'll put this on there, and then we'll apply this, and we'll take a look. So these little promoter pads, they're just foam. You just gotta rub it, and you can see where I would start there. So we did that, and then we will just set this across here, take the tape off, and set it up, and then I'll show you the finished project. Yeah, okay, so I got this first side on here, and looks pretty good across there like that. So I'll get another adhesion promoter, wipe it on this side here, and then we'll peel the tape off. And I did little foot or 2 foot sections at a time, and then pushed it down across there, and then it says you're supposed to rub it in with your hand. So that's what I'm doing. And then it said if you had a bed liner like this, you should leave your tailgate flat for 24 hours. And I think that's so that it adheres properly to the bed liner. So we'll install this and we'll leave it flat. I think that looks good, guys, across there. So when you get mulch and stuff, it won't go down in that gap. And that'll be sealed across there. That won't be sticking up, or I could even cut that out a little bit. We'll figure that out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like, subscribe button. Until next time.